Hey Math Magicians! Today we are solving a fun Math Kangaroo challenge from 2007 for grades 3 and 4. Let's crack the first 5 questions together and level up our math skills. Ready? Let's go. Zita walked from left to right and wrote the numbers she saw along the roads in her notepad. Which of the following groups of number could be the numbers written by Zita? Zita is walking from left to right, writing down the numbers she sees. But which ones are correct? Let's use the method of elimination to find out. What is method of elimination? The method of elimination is a smart way to solve multiple choice questions by removing incorrect answers step by step until only the correct one remains. Instead of guessing, we analyze each option, cross out the ones that don't work, and find the best answer. So here are our options. Option A, 1, 2 and 4. Zeta can't jump from 1 to 2 and then 4. This is not our answer. We eliminate. Option B, 2, 3 and 4. She starts at 2, moves to 3, but no. She jumps at 4. Not possible. We eliminate it. Option C, 2, 3 and 5. She starts at 2, moves to 3 and reaches to 5. Seems like she followed a path. We found our answer. Option C. Let's see if this is our best answer. Option D. 1, 5 and 6. Wait, Zeta can't jump from 1 to 5 and then to 6. Not possible. We eliminate it. Option E. 1, 2 and 5. Jumping from 1 to 2 and then to 5. It's not possible. We eliminate it. So our final answer is option C, 2, 3 and 5. Awesome. We solved the first problem using the method of elimination. Now let's move on to problem 2. Get ready to think and solve. Let's dive into problem 2. The question asks, which of the kangaroo figures contains the greatest number of little squares? Alright, let's break this one down using method of elimination. First, we need a strategy. Instead of counting everything at once, let's split the kangaroo into parts. We'll compare the head, neck, body, and leg to see where the differences are. This makes it way easier. Now, let's start at the top, the head. At first glance, all the heads look the same. We move on to the next body part, mouth. Option A, option B, and option D have fewer blocks there. We can already eliminate option A, option B, and option D. Now move on to the neck. Neck for option C and option E look the same. Now we move on to the body. Scanning through the two options, option C has extra small square right in the middle. This is a game changer. So answer is option C. It has the most small squares. Great job, we nailed it. Ready for the next challenge? Get set for problem 3. Alright, let's start by reading the problem carefully, slow and steady. Here's our challenge. How many common letters do the words kangaroo and problem have? We need to compare the two words and find the common words. Our options are option A, 1, B, 2, C3, D4, and E5. The best strategy. Pick the shorter word and compare it to the longer word. It's quicker that way. Start with word problem and compare it with kangaroo. Let's start with letter P. Is it in kangaroo? Nope. Cross it out. R. Yes. It's in both. O. Yes, it's in both. B. Not in kangaroo. Cross it out. L. Not in kangaroo. Cross it out. E. No, not in kangaroo. M. Not in kangaroo either. So the common letters are R and O. That means our answer is option B. Great job. You're doing awesome. Keep it up. Now let's dive into problem 4. Problem 4. The numbers 34 and 142 have the same sum of the digits 3 plus 4, 7 and 1 plus 4 plus 2, 7. What is the first number greater than 2007 such that the sum of its digits is the same as the sum of the digits of 2007? So what is the sum of 2007? The sum of the 2007 is 2 plus 0 plus 0 plus 7 gives us 9. Problem 4. The numbers 34 and 142 have the same sum of the digits 3 plus 4 equal to 7 and 1 plus 4 plus 2 is equal to 7. What is the first number greater than 2007 such that the sum of its digits is the same as the sum of the digits of 2007? Let's solve this together. We need to find the first number greater than 2007 where the sum of the digits is same as 2 plus 0 plus 0 plus 7 equals to 9. This is another problem where we can smartly pick from the options. Let's start checking the options first. Option A. 2016. The digit sum of 2016 is 9. Wow, we found our first match. But let's keep going to check for a closer number. Option B. 2115. The digit sum is again 9. Option C. 2008. The digit sum is 10. We don't need the digit sum 10, so we eliminate C. D. 7002. The digit sum is again 9. This is another valid answer. But is it closer? Let's keep going. Option E. 2070. The digit sum is 9 again. Now let's compare this number. Which is closer to 2007? 2070? No. 7002? No. 2115? No. Closest among all these is 2016. So option A is our answer. Great job. We have got this. Wow, you guys are doing awesome. We are done to almost to the last problem of the video. Keep it up and let's solve it together. Problem 5. Emma wrote her favorite number in the dark cloud and performed correctly several calculations following the sequence in the diagram. What is Emma's favorite number? In this problem, our job is to figure out what is Emma's favorite number written in dark cloud. Here is the sequence of operations Emma followed on her favorite number. Start with dark cloud, subtract 2, divide by 3, add 4, finally reach to 5. This is another problem where we can smartly use the options to help us. Instead of solving from scratch, let's check each option and see which one fits and eliminate the ones that don't work. Here are our options. Our first option, A. 1. If cloud has 1, then start with 1 and follow the sequence of operations as 1 minus 2 gives us minus 1. Minus 1 divided by 3, it's not a whole number, so we eliminate it. Option B, 3. We start with 3, subtract 2, 3 minus 2 gives us 1. 1 divided by 3, again it's not a whole number, it's a fraction. This is not our answer. Option C, 5. Start with 5, 5 minus 2 gives us 3. 3 divided by 3 gives us 1. 1 plus 4 gives us 5. 5 is the number we are looking for. Let us move and check for other options as well. Option D, 7. Start with 7 minus 2 equals to 5. 5 divided by 3, again, it's not a whole number. It's a fraction. It could not be our answer. Option E, 9. Start with 9. 9 minus 2 gives us 7. 7 divided by 3, again, it's not a whole number. It's a fraction. So we eliminate it too. So looking at this, our option is C, 5. You did an amazing job today. We solved all 5 problems together and you absolutely crushed it. Keep practicing and you will keep getting better and faster. In our next video series, we will tackle problems 6 to 10 from the 2007 Canadian Math Kangaroo, Grade 3-4. Are you ready for the challenge? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun math tricks. See you in the next math adventure. Keep up the awesome work.